Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the problem of Spotify not linking to Instagram Notes. If your music link isn't showing up, don't worry, these simple steps should help you solve it. First, make sure both your Spotify and Instagram apps are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause connection issues, so head to your App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Next, confirm that you're logged into Spotify on your phone. This is important because Instagram needs access to your Spotify account to display the music option inside Notes. After that, open Instagram and go to the Notes section. Tap on the music icon. You should see the Spotify option appear here. If the Spotify link still isn't showing, double-check that your Spotify account is active and logged in properly. Then, restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh both apps and clear minor glitches that might block the connection. If it's still not working, visit a website like downdetector.com to see if Spotify or Instagram are having service outages. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end, and it's best to wait until the issue is fixed officially. And that's it. After following these steps, Spotify should successfully link to your Instagram Notes. If this helped you, drop a comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.